Little darkness, my old friend.
Hello,
I'll come and talk with you again.
come to talk
Because a vision softly creeping left his seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain,
it
still remains in the sound of silence.
In restless dreams I walked alone. There were streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of our street lamp. I turned my car to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night into the sound of silence.
And in the naked light I saw
10,000 people, maybe more.
people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening,
people writing songs that voices never shared,
and no one dared
disturb the sounds of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you.
Take my arm that I might reach you.
But my words like silent raindrops fell,
and echo in the well
God in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sun said the words of the prophet are written on the subway walls and tenement halls,
and song
and whispers in the sounds of silence.
I messed that ending up, so I'm sorry.
No worries. Good morning.